Hi everyone, it's the Baking Diva here. I'm turning my channel over today to a special guest who has a special recipe for you.
Hi, I'm Lucas the Baking Dude, and today we are going to be making a famous TikTok recipe. No bake M&M chocolate cookie dough bars. And my grandma's not here because you can make it even if you're a kid, and I'm a kid. So let's get started. So first you're going to need a bowl, and then you're going to put 1/3 tablespoon of brown sugar. And after that, you're going to need 1 1/2 tablespoons of melted butter. So let me go get that. And then you're going to put that in the bowl. And next, you're going to need tablespoons of milk. So I'm going to put that in. And then you mix it together in a bowl. And then you're going to need 1/3 cup flour. So let me put that in the bowl. And then you're going to need 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. And then mix it up. Mix it up until it has like the texture of like a dough. Add some M&Ms. We don't have any mini M&Ms, so we're just gonna do some big M&Ms. And I like to leave some to put on top when we're done. I like to leave like 4 or 5. And now you keep mixing. Now you mix it again, and then you get a plate with parchment paper, and then you take it out. You put it on the parchment paper. And you put it in a ball. So then you put it into a ball, and then you can do whatever shape you want with it. I'm gonna do kind of like a bar, like a Twix bar, Snickers bar. And then with those extra M&Ms I was talking about, we're going to just stick those on top. Now we're going to put it in the freezer for 10 minutes. So I just took it out the freezer for 10 minutes, and now you can just either eat it as a bar or cut it. So what I'm gonna do is cut it because I have more people in my house that want to try it. And if you're using a sharp knife like this, make sure you have an adult around so you don't cut yourself. So now I'm gonna cut it. And camera woman, zoom into this. Doesn't that look so good?
Yummy.
Now let's do a taste test. Make sure you like and subscribe. And if you want to see me in more videos, really hit that like button. Toodles!